man? It's your boy Ty, man, back with another update. And as always, man, y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date about what's going on with this PAMM account. And let's dive straight into it. So with the FX book, like I said in the last video, I think we was down like $303 or something like that. And right now we're only down 272. We had some more withdrawals. Some people withdrew from the PAMM account, but this is just proof to let y'all know your money is not tied into this PAMM no way at all. You can withdraw whenever you like. You can withdraw during open trades, you know. And then just to share my screen, let me share my screen with y'all so y'all can kind of see. So these are actually some of the live trades that we in right now. We're floating negative $9 right now worth of drawdown. Today's profit was $44. And then if you look at it for the month, I guess, you can see right there that we're down negative 272. And then you can see right there the withdrawal that the client had took. They withdrew their 11/22/79. Like I said, guys, man, this is gonna be as transparent as you're gonna be able to find online. I promise you. Like I'm gonna show you another update. If it's not tomorrow, it'll be Wednesday, and then if you don't get one Thursday, you'll get one Friday. And here's all of the proof. Like I said, man, we down right now. You know, but whenever I showed y'all results from like these accounts right here, and then I showed y'all how they made 80%, you know, in 1 month. This is from a whole month, guys. You see what I'm saying? So whenever you're trying to compare it to the PAMM account, like, cause I'm having that same type of discussion with some of my other clients. Whenever you do these type of comparisons, you have to, you know, compare apples to apples. This started on January the 7th, and from there it gained 80%. Now, if you're looking at if you look from the 19th to the 24th, it wasn't much gain there. So I mean, you just have to be patient. Just like with this one, you know, it took a loss. It was up 106.69%, took a loss, and then now we on our way back up. Losses are gonna come with it, but as you can see, the strategy, it works. It works, guys. 80% in a month. And I'm about to duplicate the same exact thing. This maximum drawdown was 12% to be able to produce those type of returns. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay up to date, and see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am Ty Norris, and tap in. Peace.